Looking for quantitative immunoassay results simultaneously from multiple targets? Discover EMD Millipore's complete workflow solution for multiplex detection. MILLIPLEX Map Immunoassay Kits, Luminex Instruments, MILLIPLEX Analyst software, and biomarker services. Our analytically validated, flexible MILLIPLEX map assays use Luminex X-Map technology based on coding distinct color-coded microspheres with specific capture antibodies. First, select your beads and add them to the reaction. The analytes in your sample will bind their corresponding bead-bound antibodies. Next, the biotinylated detection antibody is introduced, after which streptavidin PE conjugate is added. The system measures the intensity of the fluorescent signal and matches it to the 2-dye bead signature to quantify and identify the analyte, giving you data for multiple biomarkers. EMD Millipore offers a wide range of multiplex kits, including the broadest selection of biomarkers for metabolism and immunology in multiple species, backed by 25 years of experience. With more analytes, you can draw more powerful conclusions about your samples. EMD Millipore is expanding your possibilities by pushing into research areas that are new to multiplex analysis, including cancer, cell signaling, neuroscience, toxicity, and cellular metabolism. EMD Millipore offers a full range of multiplex detection instruments, including the Luminex 200, FlexMap 3D, and the newest small footprint MagPix instrument. These instruments, supported by our MILLIPLEX Analyst data analysis software, deliver the performance you need, even with the most challenging multiplexing data sets. With EMD Millipore, experience the complete workflow solution for multiplex detection in one package. From kits to instrumentation, you can count on us.